This is true that we learn more in crisis than in comfort. People have different opinions of lockdown. Some people want to go outside, some want to stay home connected to the people through their mobiles. Some are spending time in watching their favorite TV shows, listening music, learning something new, workout, and some people are worried about the spreading of virus. In the first week of lockdown, I felt bored and unhappy at home and spent most of the day in front of TV and computers. But hearing the number of deaths in the news and rapidly increasing cases of coronavirus made me shocked. Then I got understood. If we all stay at home and follow the rules, we will be get out of this problem. Then I created new routine. During the day, apart from my online classes and homework, I give time to my hobbies, play indoor games and help my parents. From this experience, I have noticed how we people often ignore the simple things we have. I realize sometimes we must enjoy at homes instead of going outside to play with friends and spend time with family members. I feel that lockdown is an opportunity to try new things I didn't have time to do. When lockdown will be over, I will be more grateful for what I learned, what I did, and what I enjoyed. I am thankful to God that I am healthy and fit and doing well in the family. I watch the news and keep myself informed. We are surely locked at our homes but not down.